Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Toyota Tundra. First, ensure your vehicle is equipped with the remote start feature, either through your key fob or the Toyota app. We'll cover both methods in detail, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. This feature offers great convenience, especially on cold mornings or hot afternoons, allowing you to warm up or cool down your truck before you even step inside. To use your key fob for remote start, begin by making sure all your Tundra's doors are securely locked. Next, press the lock button on your key fob 3 times in quick succession. On the third press, hold the button down for about 3 seconds. You'll see the parking lights flash twice, confirming the engine has started. This method is quick and easy for immediate use. For a more advanced remote start experience, the Toyota app is an excellent option. First, download the app to your smartphone and ensure your Tundra has an active connected services subscription. Open the app, navigate to the Remote Services section, and select the Remote Start function. Confirm your command, and your Tundra will start, giving you control from virtually anywhere with cell service. Here are a few important tips for using your remote start. The engine will typically run for 10 minutes before automatically shutting off, so plan accordingly. Also, for safety, all vehicle doors must be closed for the remote start to activate. Before driving, always insert your key into the ignition and press the brake pedal to fully engage the vehicle. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.